Hey everybody, this is Luke Owens. I'm your CCC librarian, and I'm doing a quick screen capture video here to show you how to access and search one of our databases in our online library. Hopefully, this will be a quick video and super interesting and potentially hilarious. So please don't start streaming Netflix in a separate window or something. Um, so here we are at the CCC homepage. To get to the library, you go to Quick Links and then Library. This is the wonderful library page that I designed. It has a search box in the middle and three different buttons to control that search, depending on what you want to look for. There's also, I don't know why this box is empty. I have to fix that later, I guess. There's also on the left all these different ways to get in touch with me. If you want to leave me a voicemail on my office phone, that's here. You can email me. You can also make an appointment. I can do those appointments virtually through video chat if you're a distant student. All right. What we're going to do today is go to online databases in the very top banner here. Click on that. And that gives us a list of all the resources that we subscribe to as an institution. So you guys, as CCC students, can access any of the stuff on this page. You'll just have to log in with your Common ID and password if you're off campus. And many of you probably will be when you use these things. We're going to look at one today called Business Source Premier, which not surprisingly, is the best database that we have for your business and is it business and ethics law? No, business, whatever your course is called. This is the right database for it. So I'll put in a businessy search here. Shareholder activism. I hear that's a thing, and people talk about it a lot. So just to give you an example, here's a search for that. We've got 2,000 results. We can narrow those results over here on the left. So let's say we want scholarly peer-reviewed journals because our instructor asked us to find things in legal journals. So those are going to be scholarly things. And I'm going to slide this bar over to narrow the publication date. And that brings it down to 315, not too bad. You'll notice that some of these articles have PDF full text, like right there. And some of them have check for full text, like this one. This is just showing us what the database has in full text and what it doesn't. The PDF full text articles will take you right to the article itself, so you can actually read the whole thing. The other ones, it has the citation, but not the article. But you can still click check for full text. And please don't be afraid to do it. It'll bring you to a screen that says, sorry, this item is not available online. Please use the options below to get it. That's a little misleading because it is available. You just have to use these options. So the request it button is your friend here. Click that teal or aqua or green button, whatever color. You'll go through Klein Library's request service. So you'll be asked to pick NA or CCC, put in your Common ID, and then you'll get a page like this with the article information filled out, and you just have to click submit. A couple days later, you'll get an email linking back to this system, and you just look over here under view requests, I believe, and your article will appear with a little PDF link. Okay, back to our results list here. You can also do more advanced searches in this database. So I'm going to click advanced search. It's going to break this out into 3 separate search boxes. Unbelievably awesome. I know you're all like, wow, I didn't know it could do that. That's amazing, Luke. Thank you for showing me that in a video. I'm going to search for intellectual property and go down here, and I'm going to put in the internet. Yeah, search for that. 5,000 results, huge topic. We can use those limiters here as well. And in fact, what the heck is that, Russian? That's weird. Helpfully, you could limit by language. So let's choose English. Get that stuff out of there. Unless you guys read Russian or Polish, in which case, go to town. Let's limit to scholarly and peer-reviewed journals again. Get more recent articles. You can also limit to full text, so if you don't have the time to wait to request those articles, you can do that. You may hide things from yourself that would be really useful, so that's your call. If you click this PDF full text link here, again, you're going to be reading the article itself right away. Oh, this one's multilingual as well. Okay, back to the results list. And that's about all I wanted to show you, just very much the basics here. You should know too that you can add these articles to a folder using this little icon. So if they look good to you, you can be like, oh, I want to remember that for later. And then you go up here to the folder in the top and you can email everything to yourself. Select them all, email, and off you go. Okay. The last thing I want to tell you, in Business Source Premier, there's a cool feature called company profiles. So if you ever need this, can search for a company like Amazon. It'll give you a market line report for the company. These are not fantastic, but they're decent, and they can give you some information that can be hard to find and cite from a reputable source on the open internet. So there's that as well. Again, any questions you guys have, please contact me. Again, my information's here under the CCC Library Services box. Give me a call, email, make an appointment. I'm here to help. Thanks for listening, guys.